Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan, and again I'm making this video for your inspiration so that you can understand that money can be made even while in this period of pandemic, and while COVID-19 is everywhere. You can still be at home and make money from home. And I'm going to withdraw funds in front of you as I usually do, just to inspire you and motivate you. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my PayPal account. I'm going to log in and I'll click login, and I will see if I have any money in my PayPal account right now. And let's see. Okay, I have $236 in my PayPal account. I'm going to click transfer payments, and I'm going to withdraw this to my bank account. There you go, 236.67. There's no fees for me, and I'm going to withdraw these funds to my bank account in front of you. I'll click transfer, and boom, the money has been transferred. That being said, guys, if you watch my YouTube channel, you can watch my other videos as well where I provide value. And pretty much this is Shabir Khan, and you can also check out the description below this video and get in touch with me and send me a direct message if you want to get into my digital marketing coaching, where I teach you how you can learn the digital marketing skills to generate results online. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day ahead. This is Shabir Khan.